Welcome to my channel where I share app reviews. Today I'm going to show you how to record calls on Samsung Galaxy A20. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe. Before I start the video, I'd like to tell you some foundational things. Firstly, check your state and local laws before you attempt to record a phone call. Secondly, if you have several call recording apps on your phone, it will cause the recording to fail. Thirdly, Google added limitations that prevent many apps from recording your phone conversations. The app may seem to work, but when you play the recording, they are silent or only one side recorded. As you can see, my phone model is Samsung Galaxy A20. Now I will show you how to record calls on this phone. Open Google Play Store. Search Call Recorder. Find the Call Recorder app and download it. Make a phone call. Open Call Recorder app. Click on the recording file to play.
110 for police, 119 for fire, 120 for ambulance, 122 for traffic accident, and dial area code before 112 for fixed phone obstacle.
Thanks for watching my video. If you have any recording problems, please write down the phone model and Android version in the comment. I will answer your questions. Also, if you like my video, welcome to like, comment, and share it.